to solve this process within very short period of time. So suppose we will start from the very easy concept. This is the first question is very easy. I think it's really easy. So so suppose you are given the ratio ratio B is to 1 is to B, 1 is to B equals to 2 is to 3, and B is to C equals to 4 is to 5. Then you and C is to D equals to 3 is to 4. You have to find out A, B, C, D. A is to B is to C is to D. Okay, you solve it, and I will see how fast you can solve it. How fast you can solve it. You are given 4 variables. A is to B, B is to C, C is to D, and you have to find A is to B is to C is to D. What? Again? Eight is to 15 is to 20. Okay. How did you solve it? Okay, now see, so this is fine. Now the way you can make it, so the shortcut method of this problem is, suppose this is A is to B, so without writing anything, just in your brain you can calculate it very easily. So that method I am showing you, that is a very easier method to do all these things. So this is a very easy problem, everybody can solve it, but what is the approach we should follow for solve it in very short period of time? So suppose this is, you are given A is to B, A is to B equals to 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. Okay, then B is to C, B is to C equals to 4 is to 5, 4 is to 5. Then C is to D, C is to D, C is to D equals to 3 is to 4, 3 is to 4. Okay, now you have to find out A is to B is to C is to D, C is to D. Okay, so what is the shortcut method? To find out the A, you will multiply all these three. There are 2 multiply 4 multiply 3. That means 8, 24. That's mean 24. Thus you get the 24 very easily. Clear? And to find out the last one, D, you just multiply this last 3 number. So this will be 15, 4, 15, 60. So this will be the 60. Clear? Now you have to find B and C. So to B, so this B means you have to multiply 3 with 4, then with 3. B to B, then up to C. 3 is to 4, 3 multiply 4 12, 12 multiply 3 36. So it will be 36, it will be 36, it will be 36, and then it will be, you have to find out C. So C means 3 with 5 then 3. C to C connection, then go up, so this will be 3 multiply 5 15, 15 multiply 3 45, 45. So it's become this 24 multiply 30 25 is to 36 to 46, 45 is to 60. Now you can divide it with can we divide it by any number? No. 3. Okay, so this will be the 8, then it will be 12, this will be 15, and this will be 20. Okay, so basically I am showing you all these things, but it will take you just few seconds. So within your brain you can do all these things. So just what you will do, you will to make A, you will multiply 2 with 4 2 with 4 then 3, bas hoye gelo. Then to make D, 3 with 5 with 4, and to make B, you multiply 2 4, then you will go last 4. In very shortcut way you can do this. So if you can understand this concept, then I think any problem can be solved within 10 seconds. So solve the next problem within 10 seconds. This problem. No, this is the most shortest niyam, because in this numbers it becomes only no, this number is given this way, but if you are given if you increase these variables, if you are given 6 variables, 7 variables, then that will be very difficult. So solve the next problem. This is the most easiest problem, easiest way solution. So next. Yes. So do this within 10 seconds. You have to write nothing. (24 is to 30 is to 75 is to most probably. Yes. So how did you solve this? Using this particular method? Yes. This is the most easiest technique. Got it? So easily we can solve it. Next problem. Okay. Next problem. So it is given. You can solve it within 10 seconds. Yet not done. I think if you can understand this process, then you should not take that much of time. Huh? What? अच्छा, B is to C. Then you have to find A is to B is to C is to D is to E. D is to E. You did not get the concept. Look at here. To find A, what you will do? You will multiply all this left hand side. Okay. To get A, you will multiply all left hand side. So 2 multiply 48, 72, 18, 18, 135, 135, next 45, most probably not. Next 180, 180. Now look, now you see. So A will be all left hand side multiply. Okay, so easily you can get 4 is to 4 multiply to 8, 8 multiply to 16, and 16 multiply 3, that means 48. 48. Okay, this will be 48. So okay, then the E will be all right hand side multiply, all right hand side multiply. So 4 multiply 5, 20, and multiply 6. 20 and multiply 6 means so it will be 20 and 9, 180, 180. So the first and last, finding the first and last is very easy. Just multiply all the left and all the right. Clear? Now B, what you will be? B, you will come from here to here, then multiply from these two last. So you have to multiply 3 with 4, then you have to multiply all the remaining up to the last. So it will be 3 multiply 4, then multiply 2 multiply 3. So it will be what? It will be 3 multiply 4, 12, 12, 6 and 12, 70, 72. So the B will be 72. B will be 72. Clear? Then C, look at here. C will be this and this will be connected. Then we will be go up and go down, So this will be 3 multiply 2, 6. No, this will C. Then go down and here go up. Clear? There go up. So this will be 3 multiply 2, and then you will go down and you go up. So this will be 3 multiply 2, 6, and 6 multiply 3, 18, 18 multiply 3, what? 54. And then D, how you will make D? D will be this and this, and then up, go up, then go up. Clear? So this will be 3 multiply 5, 15, and multiply 9. 9 and 15, what? 135. So and nothing will be divided in the common. So this will not be divided by any other numbers. Okay. So the ratio will be this. A is to B is to C is to D will be this. So this is the method. Got it? So solve the last one. So then do that. So if you can multiply by 3, so this will be once this will be 16 divided by this will be 24, this will be 118, this will be 45, and this will be This will be 60. Okay, so this will be the answer. Now if we can understand all this concept, then the last problem, we solve the last problem within 10 seconds. So A will be very easy. 7 multiply 2 multiply 4 multiply 3. 7 multiply 2 multiply 4 multiply 3. So this will be 12. Yes, A is to D. Yes. So it will be 12 168 হবে. If we multiply all these 6, it will be 168. And for D, so for D, what will be there? D will be 3 multiply 2. 3 multiply 2. Okay. 3 multiply 2, then 3 multiply 3. So 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply 2, 2 multiply 3. So it will be what? 3 multiply 2, 6, 6 multiply 2, 12, 12 multiply 3, 12 multiply 3, 36. Is it correct? D. So this is the last to this. So this will be 3 multiply 2, then multiply 3, then multiply 3. Okay. So this will be 3 multiply 2, 6 multiply 9.